Can you just open the database and other things?
This type of question only the interview will ask. Okay, how can you
Yeah.
debug your problem? How can you if your everything is okay, port is okay, okay, everything is okay, then how you are debugging your problem? So first what you will do,
This is
It's
the command.
MySQL hyphen u
Oh,
root
sorry,
hyphen
sorry,
p.
sorry. MySQL.
why you are doing this, Sanjay?
No,
To
I just
enter in the
asked him to check the database.
Okay, okay,
No, I don't know what he have done from the starting and what's right. So I'm trying to verify from my side.
okay.
In which database have you created that one? Like, is that a separate database or any?
default DB, default DB.
Okay, semicolon.
Yeah, this one default DB.
Okay.
No, actually, I am didn't reach out the app one. I'm
No,
unable
it
to
is
reach out.
also stored in the same DB only, right? You have given the with the same DB only, right?
Uh,
While running the container.
Okay,
um,
yeah, whatever
You
Briti,
can just
you do one thing, Briti. Let it delete all the container what he had. Okay,
containers.
you delete the container and
Yeah.
you recreate the container according to you. You
Yeah.
just guide Sanjay. Sanjay will
Yeah.
do all the commands. Yeah, Sanjay.
Okay.
means at the time of creating this container, this one app one, should I take another database?
No need of giving. We are storing in the same database, right? If you
No,
store in different database, it cannot be accessed, right?
no. When I create this container, na, MySQL one, MySQL con one, at that time I put a database default DB, and I used this on the when I create this app con. Let me share.
Sanjay, you
Exit.
delete your container now,
Okay.
and you try to create it first. Okay, Briti will help you, and you try to write the code. And if any error is there, before you putting the enter, you just ask Briti that I am correct or not. Okay, you delete first container your whatever
You
container
just
you have
delete that container.
container.
Okay.
Docker ps minus a, you do docker ps minus a and delete all the container you have. You can delete in one line. Okay, you do one thing, docker stop, you write container and you give two time ampersand sign, that sign and sign. Yeah, docker that container name id
Like we can also delete that forcefully
forcefully.
also,
Yeah,
right? Right?
yeah,
Yeah.
you can do that.
Okay. I know the how to delete the forcefully. Can you tell me this one? Stop. First, I do to stop now.
Then again put at the end ampersand two times. Yeah,
Mm.
then again docker rm, docker
Okay.
rm
Docker
Yeah,
stop now.
we are giving two commands at a
at
time.
a time.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Docker
Got it.
rm and that container name,
Same
container id. Yeah,
container.
put enter.
Okay. For the second one, I also add an and.
No.
No, it
Oh,
will be a different thing.
okay.
For that, like if you want to do two containers at a
Okay, you
time,
can
like you can
do
just
now.
give
You can do as a
single
practice.
space.
You try it.
Okay. I try to do.
Okay. You try it again. It can work. I think.
Yeah.
I guess deleted. Yeah.
Sanjay, you can also check that docker ps minus a any container is not there, na? Okay, okay, you already done that part. Yeah, okay, proceed.
No. MySQL password.
Sanjay, before entering enter na, before you press the enter, okay, once confirm from Briti.
It's fine, Preeti.
Did
Hello?
you give the network? Okay.
Yeah, I also created network also.
Like if you're giving the first time password, you have to give MySQL underscore root underscore password. And in the app.py, then in that one, like we have given a config file app.config equals to like MySQL underscore DB, right?
Which one you said?
You have given after hyphen e MySQL underscore database.
Yes.
But in the config file, like in the app.py, that file, which
Yeah.
one you have cloned, in that one we have
No,
given
that Priti, it will not get affected. Okay, actually, this is
okay,
the creation of database in SQL one. Okay, when
okay.
when you are referring na, when you are trying to give the connection, that time it is required. You that's why I asked you yesterday na, you did practice or not. That I ask you to
Mm.
do that one means once you have to create the DB like this, and you try to connect that with the config you have now with that name only. Okay, now you try it. What Sanjay is doing now, you try with that method, so you can also get some clarification there. If it won't work, you try with the earlier method. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can we also provide the port number here, right, for that one?
Yeah, no, actually SQL runs on their default port.
This
No,
is a
no.
SQL one, no?
Okay.
330
Enter.
three
Yeah.
three zero six is a default port for SQL one. Okay.
Okay. So even if we forcefully give the port number, also it won't work on that port number, I
It
think,
work.
correct?
It work. If you give any port number, it work that port. But if you have the default one, let it be na right now.
Okay. Yeah, up to me that command is fine. You
Yeah.
can press enter. A Docker PS.
That's running.
Yeah,
Now you check that database, which database you created on the on which name.
Sanjay DB, he has given that one.
Yeah, let's
Uh,
check.
EXCC hyphen IT, a container ID.
MySQL con.
Okay, space bash, MySQL hyphen U,
SQL hyphen show hyphen
root, root hyphen P.
hyphen peace. The command is base.
Basis.
Sanjay DB.
Sanjay DB is there.
Okay, now you
Yeah,
do exit.
we can exit.
Now you check
We
your
can just give up an arrow, right?
now
Yeah,
once you check your Docker file, you cloned your Docker file now from GitHub.
yeah, I have a Docker file.
Yeah, you check. You
No,
just to do the Vim there or VI there.
where is gone? Docker.
You didn't clone that one.
I clone. I already create an image also, but I don't know where it's gone.
Docker clone or
Yeah, this one is images. That is sorry. This one 2 hour ago.
Just do PWD where you are.
At the root. Yeah. Here is.
Get into that one. CD. Open the Docker file.
yeah, it's okay.
Fine.
Yeah, it's okay. Create,
Yeah.
build your image, custom image.
Dot.
Permission denied while trying to connect to the Docker daemon.
Write sudo. You write.
Yeah. Actually, we have to give permission for that one. Like, I got the same things when doing this one through VM.
Yeah, Sanjay images is created.
Can you just check the Docker PS also for the containers?
Yeah, it is running.
How much GB RAM you taken today, Sanjay? 4 GB RAM, na?
4 GB.
Now it's working. Now you understand, na, the power of RAM.
Oh, yes, Ravi. Yes. Yeah, it is running.
Mm. Now create another container with another image.
Brethi, first check first inspect your network.
Okay. Docker network ls.
No,
Like which network you have given?
Oh,
No,
sorry.
it's Docker network.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one. Sanjay Net.
Okay.
Yeah,
Can you just inspect that
yeah, yeah.
sudo docker
Inspect Vritti that network, and
sudo you have to give.
Sanjay Net.
Port number. Okay, network.
Uh, Sanjay Net.
Sanjay net. Sanjay net.
Um,
Hyphen E.
what happened?
Net.
Vritti will tell you. Vritti will tell you.
No,
Just
I just do the copy paste so that this thing.
okay,
No, what you have given? Okay.
okay. For your own convenient, you taken that here, no? Okay, good.
MySQL the container name. User equals to root. It would be database. Like previously you have given the complete MySQL database, right?
Yes.
No, now you give that one. MySQL DB.
MySQL DB. I
Yeah, Sanjay. Yeah, your name
this
only.
one. No. Uh,
Sanjay DB.
Sanjay DB. Yes.
Yeah.
Uh, what I give the image name?
Appcon, I think so. Sanjay image. Sanjay image.
Sanjay image. It's fine.
Mm.
Yeah, put enter. Put enter. Put
Yeah.
enter.
Docker PS. Sudo docker PS.
That's selling.
Yeah. Can you just do Docker PS again? Just for verification whether it is running continuously or not. Okay. It is still up. You are taking the public IP, I think so, right?
Yes.
HTTP, not HTTPS.
No, I HTTP I wrote.
HTTPS is
Oh,
good.
sorry.
You go to VM and open your port 5000 port.
Did
And
you
you
allow that port? in the network settings. No.
You have to allow here. Not here.
Create port rule.
Create port rule is there. Inbound port rule. Give 5,000. Yeah. Add.
But Ravi, this port is bind with uh,
Actually, container exposing at port number 5,000. Okay, but you know that VM also expose at 5,000 only. Then only it will show you na with that help of public IP and all.
Till yesterday, we just did without a VM, right? But if we are
Ye-
doing through VM, we have to give the permissions, right? What type of traffic it is allowing.
okay, TCP or
any
a,
you
Any,
write na any.
any.
uh,
Right now your flask one flask, right? Yeah.
The priority is 330. Is that okay one?
Yeah, it's okay.
yeah, no, got it. Okay, means I didn't allow the port.
Port. That's
That's
why.
why it not reaching out. Okay, got it.
So Brati, what you have done while debugging means you have checked the network, you have
Networking.
checked the DB, whether it is working or not. Then you have
Yeah,
checked the port of VM, whether the rule is allowing or not. Okay. Then now
yeah.
it is okay. So that question only they ask in interview, scenario based
Okay.
question. Okay. If your container is dying all the time, what is the reason behind that? Network issue. Okay. Rule issue.
Yeah, yeah. I got through this question like when I not allowing, like we have to make it allow the that port number so that it can work. I just give this type of answer.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's my SQL. Ravi, like when you have worked with all these things, you have also gone through that SQL part also, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not that much. I am not, aware of that SQL command and all everything.
Because
But
for me, I just knew the basic commands of SQL, like how to create, delete, and truncate, drop, like that only. But what you have said yesterday for the show, seeing the messages, I'm not very well known for that.
actually,
Like,
this is the means basic command only. If I want to get into your DV and I want to check whether my data is stored or not, so that this is the basic. But SQL is also one course is there. One one vast topic is there. SQL.
yeah,
If you are
yeah,
getting into that part,
messages
What is table name?
from messages.
Spelling is correct, no?
yeah,
Yeah.
correct.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so we have seen that part. Now, Sanjay, yesterday I have sent you, that some images. Okay, you
Yeah.
you try to get into that image and explain me line by line that part. One topic you let me understand, and one topic Brati. And I think I sent you the four images there. This is the first one.
Yeah.
Okay, no, you go for that last one, last image. Yeah, this you explain me.
Okay. This is an application gateway where we connect through the means. I forgot.
Okay, you do one thing. You give a prompt to ChatGPT that let me explain end-to-end SSL encryption for application gateway. Okay.
What you said, Ravi?
you go to ChatGPT and give a prompt there that
Okay.
explain me end to end SSL termination, SSL encryption there, whatever the topic is. Or you do one thing, take a screenshot of that, the first part.
First, this this
Yeah,
one,
the first part only, that first end to end SSL encryption.
this one.
Uh-huh. That part only, first one. Yeah, yeah, not that one, next one. Yeah, the top one, only top one, take the screenshot of the top one only.
Okay.
You can use the shortcut command to take that.
Yeah, only that part. Yeah, and give it to ChatGPT and ask. Control V na, you do control V, you do control V. Sanjay, close it. Control V. uh,
Uh,
Explain it, and through that explanation you have to explain me, okay? Look, a simple diagram gave you at least 20 line explanation.
Actually, Ravi, I forgot the application gateway, the purpose.
Like it will give a single IP address, like instead of giving multiple public IP addresses,
Yeah, yeah,
it
yeah.
will propose only one single IP addresses, and it will just give the routing rule. Like it will help the client or any user to route into that what he just want to go into with only one public IP address. If he is giving only, I mean, it is based on the URL what you are giving in the URL prompt. Like if you are going into the, like if you are searching for a career site, or if you are want to go to the services, you are giving only one IP addresses only, and we are fetching for different websites.
Yeah, good Priti, you have good knowledge on that. Nah, Sanjay, you don't read it, you just try to explain me. If you are not getting anywhere, I'll help you, okay?
Okay,
Just go to that ChatGPT only. We have seen
okay.
the diagram, Briti is also seen the diagram.
Used to connect the web
From
application.
the top line, you go from the starting. If you are not knowing from the
This
top,
one,
yeah, the diagram represents. Yeah, that only.
wind SSL encryption.
The diagram represents where it is written. Yeah,
Uh, it
close,
is helps to reach out.
close it, Sanjay. You are where it is
No, the
written
first line, the diagram
from.
represents end to end. The first line after the image, the
Yeah,
first line,
from the
yeah.
first line, you let me explain.
The diagram is represented to end-to-end secure socket layer encryption using means the diagram is showing to the end-to-end the secure socket layer of encryption means how the message is go from through the encryption.
Yeah, means the diagram represents that end-to-end SSL encryption. Okay, using Azure Application Gateway. Using
Yeah,
Azure Application Gateway.
Azure
Yeah.
application
Now
gateway.
come for the first point.
The client and user. The left side is a client. Sorry, the left side is a user,
User or
and
client. User or client. Okay.
user or client,
Yeah. The.
and the
Uh-huh.
right side is a server.
Let explain
No,
me
actually
later.
he's asking that whether it is a user or a client. Okay, okay, okay. It is given user or client.
The user connect to the web application using HTTPS means if the user is try to connect with through VM by using HTTPS protocol. It ensures that the traffic between the user and application uh, gateway is encrypted.
Yeah.
Means the application gateway try to give the traffic so that it will encrypted messages.
What is
Hello.
that point? The first point, it tells that a user connects to the web application. Okay, whatever the user or client, it's connect to a application using your
HTTP,
HTTPS,
PDS.
that is
Yeah,
secure protocol. Okay, we have mentioned
yeah,
in the diagram.
hypertext.
The second bullet, it is saying that this ensures traffic between the user and the application gateway, okay, is encrypted. Means the traffic, okay, means the user is connected to the application gateway is encrypted. Okay, whatever the data is there, it is encrypted in a way of encrypted. Okay.
Yeah, it is ensured by the
Yeah.
application gateway.
Yeah. Now.
The application gateway middle component. It's behave like a middle component, act as a re- uh, reverse proxy and the load balancer. Reverse proxy means
Yeah, I'll tell you. Just tell that what is load balancer on. Act as a reverse
it
proxy
is also behave like a load balancer means it distribute the traffic over the VMs, over the uh,
over the.
pools, over the VMs or what pools.
Yeah, means it.
It distribute the traffic.
Okay.
It means it behave like a load balancer. I don't know what is a reverse proxy.
Reverse proxy is that server only. Okay, act as a server only. Okay, there.
Uh,
Reverse proxy is nothing but it's act. That a term that server as a server. It act as a server. Okay, means from there the traffic will go. Okay.
okay. It terminate the SSL connection from the client and decrypt the traffic. If the both side is HTTP, then the end-to-end SSL is sorry SSL connection is terminated. Means in the both side if HTTP are used, means from the client side and the server side.
Okay, it terminates the first SSL connection from the client. Decrypt traffic. Okay, then.
Then it stabilize the another HTTP as connection to the backend server.
Okay.
Means if the both side is HTTPS connection, means first it will
Yeah.
terminate it, and then it will stabilize the HTTP connection from the backend server. Means the this in this side.
Yeah. Okay. What it is telling that first it will terminate the SSL. Okay. Whatever
Yeah.
the connection it does in the first HTTPS, it's try to first disconnect, terminate the first SSL, and then again re-establish another HTTPS connection with the backend server. Okay.
Yeah.
Getting my point, Briti?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Ravi.
Okay. Now next point.
This way the both in the ends communication means this is a both way matlab, two way
Two-way communication.
two-way communications, yeah, like the client gateway and gateway to
But
backend.
two-way communication is different. Like it is two-way communication is like it's a response type. Like I'm giving you
Yeah,
question and you are giving me answer. This type,
this
this
is
one.
end to end. This is end to end communication.
Yeah.
Okay, we can say.
Means I am sending the message and you are responding, yeah, I am getting the message.
Yeah, getting.
It here the application. I mean, application gateway acts as a what is that? Mediator. Like it will just transfers or passes that what is the message or anything.
Okay. um, and the backend pool right side of Sanjay, this one, this is a backend pool, that is the name is Sanjay. uh, Connect to the virtual machine means we have a two in the backend pool we have two virtual machine
Yeah,
VM1
yeah.
and
That
VM2.
that part we know. That is okay. Okay. Then again,
The VM
fourth
also the
fourth fourth
communicate
point.
with
Fourth
the
point. Fourth
application.
point. Sanjay.
Uh, The key point is end-to-end the encryption without it is set up. Sometimes traffic is only encrypted from the client gateway SSL termination. Sometimes traffic only encrypted means it is
Means
not always encrypted.
means without this setup, if you don't have this setup, what will happen, the traffic is only encrypted from the client to gateway. Okay, that is the ssl termination. The next image the next image is there now, the down one, below one, that is ssl
Yeah,
termination one. Okay, so that
that is
this one, they are talking about this image only. Yeah, now.
means in this side there is a no encryption.
Yeah, no encryption is there, and that is why we call that ssl termination. Okay.
SSL termination, yes.
Yeah, now comes to your that point.
Uh,
Or
that
the
is
second point is, second bullet point is saying, but here traffic is encrypted all the way from client to gateway, then again to the backend VM,
backend being
and make it end to end
end to end
secure.
ensure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so now it's okay. Show me your second image.
That's all.
Brethi, any doubt in ssl termination?
No, Ravi.
Okay, now come to the previous image, second image, Sanjay. Yeah, here any doubt, Brethi and Sanjay?
Public key private.
No, Ravi. Shared
Sanjay,
openly used.
Sanjay, what?
Ravi, I have a doubt. This SSL certificate, what is that?
Yeah, on the
That is what we are
arrow,
providing for that security.
arrow. You just read out that arrow one, the blue one.
Digital certificate that ensures secure communication between client and server.
Top one. Yeah, that is SSL certificate, digital certificate that ensures secure communication between client and server.
Ravi, this certificate is this one means if I go some where I
That one, first one, first one, first one. That first one. Yeah,
ah this certificate.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Publicly shared openly with the
Now,
encryption data.
Sanjay, you do. Achha, okay.
Means it generate hello.
Yeah, it will come on the next image. Okay, the explanation on that. Okay, now you just explain this diagram only. Public key is shared openly, used to encrypt the data. Okay, and
Yeah.
private key kept secret on the server, used to decrypt the data. Okay,
Yes.
and you also gone through the process. Already I explained the next diagram.
Yeah. Yeah. The
Okay, how
message is
user, yeah, how message is going to the server end, and how that is communicating with the
yeah.
client.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. This is.
Yeah. Now,
Should I go next?
yeah, previous image.
As a
Yeah,
handshake.
SSL handshake. Here is the question. Dhriti, can you explain this diagram?
One
Client
second, Ravi. I'm
connected
just looking that one.
to
Client connect over server over HTTPS. Server shares its SSL certificate. Public keys. Clients encrypt session. Session key using servers publicly. Sends it to the server. Server decrypts session key using its private key. From now, both client and server use the session for fast encryption and decryption. Encrypted session key, private key, session key, password. Yeah, like whatever the prompt that user is giving, it will be encrypted one side, like using the public key, as it is said. Like it will be visible for everyone, like the client, not for everyone. It is visible for the client. You can see that it is encrypted. But when after coming to the, I mean, server side, like the client one, the second end, when it comes to second end, it is completely encrypted. Like we can't see that one. It is having some secret keys and passwords, and it is decrypted inside that server, I mean server itself. and that decrypted code is transferred to that VM or any second, I mean VM or second, and we can say.
Sanjay, you can explain this diagram or this the notes. So what you have?
When the client is connected to the server through the HTTP, sorry, it's the message is transferred from here to the encryption form, and the client and sent to the server. The server encryption. Ha, and the server reach the message. It will decrypt, then it receive the message using the private key, means it have a private key, so that it will decrypt the message. And if the some in between the some hacker will try to hack the message, means he have only the public key, he don't have a private key,
Okay, okay, it's okay.
like that.
40%, 40%, it's okay, and Brati is also okay. And actually, we are just going through that SSL handshake. Okay, what it happens now, Sanjay? You open your Chat GPT. What you have opened that time, their certificate.
Okay.
Where you have stored the certificate. Yeah, look what happened now, Briti and Sanjay. Try to understand this. Whenever whenever we try to give the connection now, what will happen now? SSL certificate provided by that side only, means they share with us their private sorry public key. Okay, means they can distribute their public key to anyone, and this is the public key. Okay, and it is distributed to everyone, like like here at last line it is written that public key. Sanjay, it is distributed to everyone. Briti also have public key, Sanjay also have public key of this chat GPT, I also have public key this chat GPT. But what happened, the private key is kept at chat GPT server only. Okay, private key is kept at chat GPT server only. And what happened here, when I try to log in into chat GPT, what it happened, I can encrypt the data using this public key. Okay, I can encrypt the data, not I only, you can also encrypt the data, hacker can also encrypt the data, but they hacker or any malicious thing cannot decrypt the data. Why? Because the key, private key, is only with the that part, means with the server only, chat GPT server. Means whatever the password you are providing, whatever the message you are sending, it is decryption power is only at the chat.
Second end.
Yeah, second end only, the chat GPT server only. So what will happen here now? Come to Sanjay, that part, image part. Yeah, now left hand side, client connect to the server over HTTPS. Left hand side, first take your arrow. Yeah, here client connects to the server over HTTPS. What happened? Server shares its SSL certificate contain public key to everyone. Okay, then the next part, client encrypts session key using server's public key. Whatever the client or user want to encrypt their data or the session, it can done by the client side, and it can it can be done by using their public key. Okay, and again it sent to the server. Okay, the next part, server decrypt session key using its private key. And what happens, the server decrypt their session key using its private key. And now from now what will happen, both client and server use the session key, that key, for the fast encryption or decryption. Means now the connection, the SSL handshake is done. Now we can do the fast encryption or decryption. Any doubt, Sanjay? Now, Breti?
No, no.
Okay, now come to the first point, first image. Yeah, Sanjay, what is the difference between HTTP and HTTPS? Yeah, Breti, you can tell.
Yeah, HTTP, like it is, or, I mean, it means like a hypertext transfer protocol. it is not secured one, like it is not encrypted in both sides. Like whatever we are giving the prompt or any URL, it will be taken by the server, and it will, I mean, we will get that what we have searched.
Okay.
But if it comes to HTTPS, like whatever we are giving the prompt, it is encoded, like it is converted into another separate secret code, and it is
For communication between the browser and the server only. Okay, whatever the data you have, it can send to the server, and server send to you. Okay, it will do in HTTP. But in HTTPS, what will happen? It is a combination of HTTP plus SSL certificate, and that is your encrypted or or secure version of HTTP. Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Now, what is the prerequisite for SSL, Sanjay?
Buy a domain.
Means you
Example.
should have domain. Okay.
Yeah.
Then
Set up a server,
you have to a server. Then
VM and backend. Configure the application gateway with HTTP.
okay,
Attach a public IP of a application gateway with the domain using a DNS record.
DNS a record. Okay, there is option na there a record in domain
Attach a
only. In domain only there is option na a record. You have seen that part,
yeah, yeah,
Sanjay,
the topmost, that it looks like a dashboard thing.
where DNS a record.
where you are managing your DNS domain. That
Yeah.
there you have a table. Okay, DNS record
Yeah, the
table.
table I have.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that table you have one option, that is a record, double a record,
Okay, okay,
CNM
got it.
record.
Got it. Yeah, yeah,
Okay,
got it.
that is a record here I wrote.
Yeah,
Okay,
okay.
the next part.
Integrate SSI certificate into the application gateway.
Okay, it is SSL. Okay, typing mistake is there.
SSI. Acha, okay. It's
Okay,
a typing mistake, no?
yeah. Integrate SSL certificate into the application gateway. Any doubt, Brati here? Request
Mm,
for SSL.
no, Ravi.
Okay,
No,
now
Ravi.
how you will integrate your SSL into application gateway? Next, Brati, you try to.
SSL integration in application gateway.
Hmm.
Upload SSL certificate in .pfx format. Support SSL termination. Supports end-to-end SSL encryption. Like we are just uploading that SSL certificate to the application gateway here for secure traffic. Like we can, here we are giving SSL termination, right? So it is encrypted and decrypted there itself.
Yeah, okay. Means it support both SSL termination,
Yeah,
it support, and it also support end-to-end SSL encryption. Sanjay,
yeah.
got it.
Yes, Ravi.
Now Sanjay, come to the types of certificate.
Self-signed certificate. Uh, Create using OpenSSL, not trusted by the browser. Means
Means you have seen somewhere might be that HTTPS it is written, but it is crossed by one line. Brati, you have seen some website.
yes,
Uh,
yes.
yeah.
Some
HTTPS, okay, and it is crossed by one line only, and that is the self-signed certificate they were using.
okay means that website those who are created that is they don't have a certificate. They are signed by own.
Like the customized one.
That's correct, Ravi.
Yeah,
Okay.
and the having which we don't have any cross, and whatever written only simple HTTPS means it is CS signed certificate.
CA sign
It is
certificate.
issued by some of certificate authorities, we can say.
Okay,
Some
okay.
community have authority to issue that certificate, and there is some that domain broker is there na, they have some authority to issue that HTTP certificate. Means that GoDaddy is there, Hostinger is there, they having the authority to issue you HTTPS
CA
certificate.
sign certificate. Okay.
Okay, now Briti, come for WAF. WAF.
Security layer between client and web application, filters, monitor, block malicious traffic coming into your application based on set of rules. Focused on web application, that is web app API websites. Protects against SQL injection, cross-site scripting, cross-site request, forgery, file inclusion attacks. Okay. it is providing the firewall there. It is setting the firewall between security layer and web application layer. Like no other third party clients or any other things, no hacker can hack that one. So it is giving a complete firewall protection. And the second point, it is mentioning that it filters monitoring, like these are the works it is done, like protecting from the cyber attacks. Like what I mean, it may be a cyber attack, or any hacker can just take the information. It is protected, it is protecting from the malicious one. Like it is the most what is that, what idiot thing we can say.
Okay. Sanjay, any doubt
And
in that part? WAF?
Security layer between the client. 1 minute, Ravi.
Yeah.
and it is in the fourth point, it is given like what type of attacks can be happen, like SQL injection. These are the types of attacks, cyber attacks we can say.
Okay.
Into the
Good.
application based on this set true.
Sanjay?
Uh, Focus on the web application API website. Ravi, can you explain this line?
Focused on
Third
web.
line.
Focused on web
Application.
application only. Web app, API or website. Means it can work. Means on website only. Web application only.
Okay.
WAF. Yeah.
Means it is for the web application only.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it can have that API or website or web app. Okay. Like if you have your computer application, there it won't work. Okay.
Okay. Uh, Ravi, what is SQL injection?
SQL. What is Birati that SQL injection?
Like up to my knowledge, these are the types of attacks. Like this
Okay.
can be,
Someone want to inject any data in your database.
yeah,
Okay.
Okay.
So that is
Okay.
SQL injection.
without any permissions. If that person wants to insert any data, it just I mean what is that, revert back, it won't allow. If you are authorized person, means it you are allowed to do any changes in the database. Am I right, Ravi?
Yeah.
And this cross site.
Cross site scripting. You write it that part in.
Yeah, that means like sometimes it will be if you have a phone call, like it's an example I'm just taking. We are dialing for one person, but there might be a cross connection. Like
Yeah.
we are dialing for one person, but it might be due to network issue or any other thing. It is connected to other person. I think we have
Okay.
experienced many times. Like we will get a wrong number connection, right? Like that,
Yes,
right?
yes,
It
yeah.
avoids that one also. Is that
Okay.
right, Ravi?
Yeah. It's okay.
Cross site request. Agency attack.
Okay. You try to read out. Okay. Sanjay, when you have time now, this is good topic that WAF. If interviewer will ask you that load balancer na, that time this question will definitely arise. uh, can you explain me WAF, and what do you understand by the WAF, and how can you how the WAF is working? So that kind of question may arise. WAF. So you have to go through that WAF one. Okay.
Okay.
And it having some security there. Okay. And it is one of the best part of any company, and everyone support this WAF. Rati, okay, you try to get into that
Yeah,
part, WAF,
yeah,
or you
Ravi,
do
yeah.
one thing, Sanjay. You just go to ChatGPT and ask once that WAF, okay, and you will see
Okay.
for 1 minute, and then again we will go for the next topic. WAF, yeah. close it. It giving you a picture. Stop it. There is option na. Stop option is there at right. Just near that mic. One mic is there na.
Yeah.
Yeah, stop one. Yeah. Okay, you try to study it. Okay, when you got the time.
Okay, okay, Ravi.
Now come to the Docker. Yeah, Briti. Now we have already went with the volume one. Okay, so try to bind your volume there. Yesterday we have attached something only na there.
Yeah.
Yeah, you try to bind it.
Yeah, with the same command, we have to give only one extra command.
Hyphen V volume.
Yeah, like if we have any volumes or anything means we can give that
No,
one.
I didn't create. Okay, right. For that, should I create a new container?
Yeah, first check that volumes, like what are the volumes you have. There will be a default volume every time.
Docker
No,
volume.
just ls, give ls,
This is a default volume.
the local volumes. Now we
Yeah.
can create our customized volumes here. Sudo docker,
Oh, sorry, sorry,
docker you have given.
sorry. Studio.
Yeah, volume create and give any name you want. No, okay. Yeah, if you give ls, like you will have that volume one. Yeah,
Okay.
now creating for, I mean, we have to create another container.
Or can we attach through that?
It is already created, right?
No, no. Volume is created, but I have already the running container. This one. Uh, sudo docker docker ps. Can we attach to this?
Yeah, try to do ChatGPT, Sanjay. You give a prompt that I have a SQL container. I want to attach with that my VM1, my volume. Not with that kind of prompt. You just write it. I have container.
I have.
A running container.
Yeah, running container.
Uh, can I?
Attach a volume though.
It's fine.
Yeah,
Stop. Recreate a container. Volume. Use a docker cp file.
okay. It is a little bit typical. You just go and delete your container and try to create your new one. Okay.
Okay.
You are creating another container.
Yes.
Okay. You can just give up arrow, or like you can just modify your single thing.
Yeah, first you delete your container. Na? First you delete your container, SQL container.
Docker.
It is running. You can just give -f for force deleting.
Yeah.
That means Ravi, like we have to attach the volume for the main container, right? Through which the database is working.
Yeah, you have to give the volume to that only, that part.
Okay. Network, Sanjay Net, hyphen V, volume name. No, before that you just attach the volume name, volume one, hyphen E, MySQL underscore root underscore password.
Okay, give the image.
I think it's MySQL something. No, if you just
No,
scroll up, you can get that one, right?
that image is my SQL only, Sanjay.
We forgot.
No, here
Why?
itself you got yeah, no, that MySQL hyphen latest. I
Okay,
mean,
let me check.
That image you have pulled from Docker, na? That is my SQL only.
the
Okay,
above
yeah,
itself
yeah,
you
yeah.
have
Sorry, sorry, sorry.
Yeah, that
I
is not your
forgot.
custom image. That is your,
pulled image.
yeah.
Infinity.
No, better you can give us Docker PS, right? Okay.
CD. Docker.
No, why are you going to into that part?
There is a volume now. Hello, Ravi.
We are not checking that volume inside the container, right?
Okay. Okay, okay.
If we inspect that volume in a normal root one, we can have that one.
Uh,
If you inspect that volume, like if you give okay, sudo docker inspect and the volume name, you can get that path one, right? So we can just copy and paste.
yeah, I'm searching for this path.
Yeah. No, you have to copy from library one, lib. You have already given that var one, right?
first try to store some data na in that volume, then only you browse that data. Sanjay,
Hmm?
you run your container, you try to save some data there, and
You
then
have created one container, and you that container is attached to that same DB, right? Another container. That another container we had to restart that one.
yeah, you have to restart that container, the previous one, and you have to save some data, and
You had to
then
delete that SQL
yeah, then
container.
only we will check that after deleting that container, SQL data container only. Okay, then
Okay.
our data is persisting or not.
Okay.
Okay, you try to run your application. You do docker ps first. You do docker ps.
Sudo docker ps. We
Yeah.
had to restart that Sanjay image latest one. I mean, so second one, second container, Flask.
Yeah.
Actually, your meeting one tab is there, right? So I'm unable to see that names of that container.
Flask one.
Yeah, you have to restart that one.
Docker restart.
Yeah,
And Sanjay, one more thing in docker part, I'll tell you. Don't use your the root user. Okay, it is a
sudo is
Yeah, Ravi, I am using for here
no, no. If you
because
are doing the
every time.
practice, if you are doing the practice, do in the right way. You create a group there, okay, and you do that part, so that
Yeah.
if you build any image or any container with the help of root user, it will comes in your security one. It will scan there, and your pipeline will
Okay.
get failed that time.
Okay. Okay, Ravi.
Amriti, understand now what I am trying to say?
yeah, Ravi.
Okay.
Flask.
Now you do okay. Then from the next part, you have to be on that way.
Restart.
You
Yes.
do docker restart, and that you give your that container name.
Yeah.
Yeah, now enter into that. What is that web browser? That one. You have to give that IP address and Ravi, we can also access that with a private IP address also, right? Like if we have that host name, like if we give the command host name hyphen I, we'll get that private IP address, right? We can also access that through that.
No,
Okay,
private IP can be accessed via VPN or your Bastion. Okay,
okay. Then what is the command? Like how can we get the private? I'm sorry, public IP address through that command prompt like that one only?
command prompt. Na, you have to search that part.
Okay.
I guess I need
IP
to create
config
a
we
new
can give.
one. I guess
Like
I need to create this Flask one is.
No need of creation and all.
we have restarted that one, right?
Yeah, I just started.
That is HTTPS or HTTP. You checked.
HTTP.
Okay. Amriti, debug it. How come getting the error?
Uh, can you just check the network settings again? Okay.
Now you
Uh,
inspect that network. Na there. You inspect
that
there.
network is there, right? IP configuration VM4 primary slash IP config.
No. There here there is no issue. Issue is there only.
Here is a fine 5,000 I
Yeah,
allowed.
it's okay. It's okay here. Yeah, you inspect here, Briti, the network, the volume, that part also, logs of that container.
Yeah. Can you just inspect that? What is that container one?
setting page.
Volumes null.
Where is the volume?
You have scrolled down. Yeah, there.
Oh,
After
this one.
null, it is not attached. TCP 5000.
Actually, this is a Flask one is a older one, no?
No, we have restarted that one, right? Okay, if you
But
want
I
to
didn't
recreate, you can
associate with
create
that
that one out.
volume at that time. At the when the starting time, I didn't associate the volume. That's why it's a null.
No, no, actually you are associated your volume with the SQL one. Okay.
Yeah,
Uh,
not this one.
it's okay. It's okay. We are
No
we
need
can.
of like we have attached the DB here, right? Actually, for the SQL one, we have attached the database and we have attached the volume. So that database is attached to that volume directly. Even though if we have deleted that SQL container, it will be attached to that DB only. I mean that volume. The second container what we have created through with the name
But
Flash, that one is attached to the DB. Am I right, Ravi?
Yeah, yeah. Sanjay, you are getting what Brith is saying.
Ravi, okay,
Okay, you have created your that image na. No, sorry, container na. The Flask container.
It is not working. Did you delete that one? It is
no,
not running. The docker ps hyphen a sudo.
it is a stopped Flask one.
Okay. Can you just restart that one? Instead of giving a flask, can you just give a container ID right now? Can you just do again?
Hmm?
Can you just give that same command again? Okay, it is still working. Yeah.
Now you open your port. That one.
We can just search in the web browser right now. No, it is not coming.
Ravi, actually, this this container uh, is not okay. MySQL, yeah. Got it.
Now you check the network. Whether inspect the network briefly, so that we can check that both are in same network or not.
Yeah. That Sanjay Net. Sanjay Net. Yeah, container name is given down itself. New con the SQL attached container is running. There is no another container.
Where it is?
The downside config only after that. Yeah, container ID is given, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Uh, can you just delete that Flask container and recreate another container? Or else can you just check the logs of that container? No, Docker log, sudo Docker logs, and the container name or ID. Unknown server. One second. Unknown server host.
Actually,
MySQL
I'm trying.
com. And it is due.
Briti, you have seen that part. What happened here when you have seen the logs and all?
Actually,
Unknown
Yeah, I just read that one unknown server
host,
host.
no, no, host. Actually, the previously he has created with the name of MySQL con. Now he is created
Okay.
with the other another
Yeah,
name.
yeah.
Okay, that's the
Yeah,
reason.
that is I'm trying to say that this is not associated with this one. I created this one is previously.
Yeah, actually, I'm just remembering that MySQL con only. I'm not seeing that new cons. That's
Yeah.
why I'm getting confused.
Okay, now you do it.
Yeah, Docker RM.
First, I
It is already exited, right?
hyphen. Should I attach a volume also?
Mm, no need of attaching here because we have directly attached the database, right?
Yeah, yeah, okay. Um,
Hyphen E. Okay, cool.
I
Hyphen E.
hyphen.
E.
Uh,
MySQL host that new con and database. No, MySQL database. MySQL underscore database.
uh,
Sanjay DB.
Sanjay DBS.
Yeah. Actually, that container name newcon isn't. I mean, I didn't register that name. I'm just remembering only MySQL con.
And second thing is
Briti,
a
you have
host.
here you have to give MySQL underscore DB only. Okay, while you are connecting your DB, in app.py that is mentioned here, there that MySQL underscore DB.
Small.
Okay.
Okay, you just replace
Okay.
it.
Okay. Sanjay,
Yes.
instead of database, just give the DB only. MySQL database. You can just give DB.
Uh, where you said?
MySQL database. Yeah, that one. No, no, MySQL database. The word MySQL database. You can give just as a MySQL underscore DB. I'm just thinking like Ravi, like when we are attaching that database, like when we are giving the database to that container, MySQL container, whatever the prompt we are giving, like the command MySQL database or DB, the same command we have to give to the next attaching containers also. So I'm thinking like
What
that.
is the last thing?
Now, when you are creating na for the DB, there MySQL underscore database, it can be created with the help of that MySQL underscore database. But if you will write there MySQL underscore DB, it won't create any database there.
Okay, like if we are giving complete database name, like my.
Then only it will create a new database there with
Okay,
that name.
okay, okay,
Now
okay.
what
I
you are
got
doing
that.
here, you are attaching your DB with your app only. Okay,
Okay,
so that
we
whatever
can
you,
give you. Okay.
yeah, whatever you have mentioned there, if you want to mention their database MySQL underscore database in app.py, then you can write here MySQL
Oh,
underscore database. Okay,
yeah. Only for the first time we are giving database
yeah,
completely for creating a new
yeah,
thing. If the database already created means no need of giving a complete database. We
yeah,
can give DB only.
yeah.
Okay. You have to give user, right? You have crossed that one, I think.
Yeah.
Equals to root and the image name.
Yeah.
Sanjay image.
Is there any mistakes?
Yeah, I'm just looking for that one only. Mhm.
Password, TB, file, local, list, files,
Yeah, everything is fine. Docker PS. It is not running right now also. Can you just look on to the logs one? Logs, Flask one, unknown database. Ah.
That is
Actually, what is the database you have given for that one? Like for creating the new container?
let me check.
MyDB. I'm just thinking like it is only Sanjay DB only.
it happens. It's okay.
Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't see that MyDB one. And change the port number and name of that container also.
Give flask 2 and port number 5002. Yeah.
Docker PS. Yeah,
Yeah, fast
it is
installing.
running. Can you just verify again by giving Docker PS? Okay, it is still there.
Put enter. Okay. Sorry, you have to change the port. Now, Brati, debug it fast.
5002. In
Sanjay,
the overview, we can give this.
Sanjay, create here new port rule. Inbound port
Huh?
rule. Network 5002. Yeah.
But Ravi, it is for the VM one, na?
Yeah. For the
And
VM1 only.
it is associate means it is bind with
5002.
5,000 here
5000 for the container one. Container exposing at 5000. But your VM will bonded with
for the VM one 5,000, no?
no for container. That is for the container. Means
Okay,
image,
That
as
Sanjay image one.
Sanjay image you created and you expose your 5000 port, and that container is bind with that port only 5000. Now you are exposing your 5002, so you have to uh,
okay.
recreate your rule.
That means Ravi, like how many containers we are creating and how many ports we are exposing, we have to give that many port rules.
Yeah.
Like you said, like when we are working in the product, I mean in the project one, we are not supposed to enter into this. What is
Yes,
that?
you have to give na through CLI method only. Means you don't
Okay.
have authority to do the this part only. Means
Okay.
UI
If we are
method.
doing
You can
provisioning, there itself we have to give that
yeah
port rule.
you can write port rule also there. Define your update your rule. Okay,
Okay.
anytime you have NSG rule na there.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so you can update their rule.
I'm getting confused with all these things. That's why I'm.
Now you are getting na slowly you will
Yeah,
getting
yeah,
it's
yeah. I'm
it's
getting
it's okay.
because sometimes my screen is getting stuck with this screen, like what Sanjay is presenting. So I'm not knowing what is happening in the screen.
Okay, Sanjay, are you getting na what we are
Yes, Ravi,
doing?
yes, Ravi. Yeah.
Actually,
So I was confused. This one is for
no, no, no.
VM1, and this one is for container. So I am binding with these things to this. Okay, now I'm clear with that. Um, nice.
This is the deepest part of Docker. What you are doing now? Binding volume, binding network,
Hmm.
inspecting network, debugging the things. Okay, these people are, means in 1 month they don't know. When they are doing, they are
Batch.
learning. They don't know in 1 month. Like right, Briti, you try to give this knowledge to your one of any of your friend. Okay, and try to let them debug it.
Yeah, right. No, you have already entered into that MySQL one, right? Why you are again giving that one? You can go to the show databases and use the databases what you have given. Use
Okay, okay,
database.
sorry, sorry. I was thinking I give the wrong password.
No, no, no.
Oh, yeah, this 5 to 6
No,
line.
no.
No, if we are getting dirty with, I mean, if we are making practice means like we won't get confused.
Show database.
Every time I will be getting confused.
Yeah, my DB.
Yeah. Ravi,
Yeah.
okay, yeah, no, 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 no doubt. I'm clear about this. Yeah. When he have deleted that container, the along with that container, the DB also got deleted,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. So only we are trying to to
Yeah,
take our data, means our data will
yeah,
persist. When our container will die, that time also we can recover our data. Okay.
yeah. Now,
Now so
if we come back to the normal root, I mean not even root, we come back to the VM, and if we delete that what is that container, the database is also deleted, but it is attached to the volume. So whatever the messages we are giving in the browser, it will be redirected here, right?
now you first check now whether
Ravi,
yeah, yeah, Sanjay.
I am going to the data is stored in the DB.
Now you check
I'm
in,
going to
yeah, yeah.
delete.
Now don't delete it. Now you check that
Volume.
whether your volume is really bind with your SQL or not. Okay, so first you check your data is persisting there or not.
You can just inspect the volume.
Okay.
Yeah, am I right, Ravi?
Yeah.
No. No, we can just give sudo docker inspect and volume one. The your volume name is volume one, right?
No, I'm trying to.
You're trying to get the containers. Okay.
Yeah.
Now you get into that part, Sanjay. That path, CD and that path.
It
That
is only showing the volume is here, but it's
actually that volume is your host one. Okay, the laptop means the VM you are using now.
yeah.
Yeah, the your volume is mounted there only.
Okay, that's why it's saying local
Local,
one.
yeah, means
Okay.
it is mounted on your local system, means VM virtual machine. Okay, so you do one thing, do sudo cd and you go to that data,
That path.
that path, sudo cd and that path, cd and
Remove that apostrophe.
yeah. Now hit enter.
I'm
Yeah, go to that var lib
Lib,
docker volumes.
lib.
where is the var?
Sanjay, if you give that ls space hyphen al, it will be listed in the list form. Like it will be, you can, it will be easy to find that names. ls space hyphen al.
No.
Al. 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 Okay, LE, okay.
The
Yeah,
same thing is there.
yeah. Go to
Yeah, the
var.
same thing only.
Var is there, na?
Yeah.
Go to var.
Var is also here. Here.
No, I'm just saying like it will be in a list form, so it will be easy to identify.
Yeah, okay. Uh,
Lib, I think it is a library one or a Docker one.
Yeah, cd lib,
Yeah,
Live.
lib
lib,
Docker
then
volume.
docker, then volume one, docker, do sudo.
And what we run.
CD is a shell built-in command. It is cannot be run directly. Sudo hyphen yes option may be used to run privileged shell. Sudo d option used to run the command in specific
Okay,
directory.
you go to that super user there and try to get into that part.
Okay.
Vo-
Yeah, there is a
Volume,
one.
volume
volume, then volume one is there. Yeah,
data underscore data.
Nothing is there.
There might be a hidden files
means your volume is not binding.
attached to the
Okay,
table.
so you do one thing, Sanjay. While you are attaching your VM, na, that time,
Yeah.
sorry, virtual volume. That time you have to write that one path. Okay, with that, you go there, exit from super user. No, not here. Yeah, exit it. Now you go to there, recreate your SQL one. Okay, you delete that SQL database, SQL container. Yeah, you delete it. Yeah, boot your new con, and again you will create on the same name new con. Okay.
Okay, along with the volume name, we have to give that path of that volume also.
Yeah, and that path is var lib or mysql. Okay.
Yeah, it's deleted. Should I create a new one?
Yeah, you create new one. Up arrow, you click on a up arrow. Not that one.
Yeah,
Yeah,
this
Yeah,
one.
here.
Uh,
volume one colon,
Volume one colon. Yeah,
volume one colon,
volume one.
colon,
colon. No, colon
double dot,
Okay, okay, sorry. Call one. Okay.
slash
and the path.
var.
The path one.
Yeah,
Yeah, not full.
there itself we are having right the up to lib
Up to lib.
Yeah, lib.
Or
Lib, and you create one MySQL.
directory there.
entrance.
Paste it. Slash add and write MySQL.
My.
SQL.
Yeah. Now put enter. Restart your that
Flask to
flask
container.
2 container. Sudo restart flask 2.
Docker restart.
Restart. Uh,
Flask 2.
class 2, yeah. Class 2. Yes.
Now you refresh that page. Now write some data here. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. Two messages enough. Now check your volume.
Sudo docker volume.
Mhm. Inspect volume. No, what we are giving that to inspect one, right?
Yeah, it is
If
attaching
you check into that I mean var lib, you
this one.
can find, yeah, not
You
complete
you
path.
go through super user. Sudo su. Yeah. Put enter. Put enter. Yeah.
ls
Do ls.
mysql is there.
Now go to docker one again.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. You do cd and copy that path, full path up to data. Not there. You are in lib only, na? Then you have to put after the lib. Yeah. Do ls.
MyDB, MySQL is there,
Now you
and
refresh.
MyDB is also there. This is a my means virtual machine.
Yeah, this is your virtual machine data only. Okay. Now go to MySQL.
Which file should I go?
Do ls minus a, that one for all. Go to MyDB, then back. Yeah, cd dot dot cd dot
MyDB.
No, if you come backward means we can go there. cd
Oh,
dot dot
what you said again?
cd dot dot one
cd
back.
to
Okay, you said to go to back.
Now again go to
cd
MyDB.
You have given two times double dot. Get into the data one underscore, yeah.
Then cd MyDB.
cd mydb messages dot. Okay. No, it is not a directory one, right?
Oh, sorry.
Oh my god. Yeah, that the super mum. Hi Sanjay, you have given that one. Last line. Last one, last one. Last one. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But what is this?
I can't decode that one.
Now go to MySQL one. Data should be there. MySQL. Once it will show, you can check their data. Brati, you can get their data only in that screen only.
Sorry, what did you say?
In this screen only, you are getting a data that hi Sanjay.
Yeah, Yeah, the last one
No,
when you
not
have
not
given.
not there. Means that ls he is doing now. There you are seeing any message there?
No, no, no.
Actually, in this MySQL one, there is a no message
There are
type.
only logs
Okay,
present there.
Uh,
do cat the logs, general logs dot csv.
this one, general one.
Hmm.
Yeah. No, you haven't given the complete CSM, the file name.
Okay. Um,
Dot
So,
csv.
SI.
no.
Uh, what you have given that? What is the command you have given, Sanjay? I didn't see
No, I
complete.
just do the cat, this file.
No, okay, okay, the second file. No, I
Yeah,
didn't see that one. Can
this
you
one.
just open that CSV file? General
This
log.csv.
one.
No, the second one from from left hand side, from the second
CSM.
one.
Oh, this
Second
csv.
one.
one, general log CSV.
Copy it, yeah, copy it.
Correct. Just give another enter, right? It is very clumsy.
This is scary, na?
Yeah, I'm seeing only yeah everywhere.
Cat.
Just give one more enter, one more enter. Yeah.
I just do clear.
Oh, now it's okay.
Okay,
Nothing is
where are
there
we?
inside the
Yes,
file.
nothing is there.
Just change the dot CSM.
Uh,
The
CSM, this
above,
one.
yeah, the last one. General log CSM. No, if you give up arrow, that same command, change that CSV into CSM.
Copy it, Sanjay, copy it, na? First one, copy it, the first one.
If you give
This one.
up arrow, if you give up arrow, just give up arrow. Yeah, and the last, instead of CSV, CSM.
Nothing is
Nothing.
there. Volume is not persisting
Should
here.
I check? Control C, Control V.
Wait.
This is an encrypted message.
Yeah,
Yeah.
only Sanjay can understand this.
Yeah, I can understand. This is an option. This is an interval count. I can understand.
Okay, let me search, Sanjay. Your name is written here. Can you search it, Sanjay?
Search.
Yeah, if you give one command, we can search that.
Find.
We can give grep, grep,
Oh,
the
grep.
text name.
What should I search? Log.
Sanjay, you search Sanjay.
Sanjay,
There is a
Sanjay.
no.
Hey, what is that? Where is the cursor?
Here.
It is blinking now on left hand
Oh,
side.
okay, yeah.
It is searching.
And the complete screen is full of letters, right? I am not seeing that.
My eyes will get, you know, damaged.
Yeah. I feel like I'm seeing some Chinese language.
Is
Yeah,
this
Sanjay.
comfortable?
Okay, Sanjay, stop it. Okay, you try to bind your volume and all. Okay,
Yeah,
you
okay.
try to do it. And now we'll try to upload our Docker image to the Docker hub. So what we have to do, Birati? Let explain to Sanjay. You have any idea of that?
We have to
Docker
give Docker
push.
push.
Yeah. So first log into your that Docker.
Docker hub,
Yeah.
Docker login.
Docker.
Login. Waiting for authentication. Docker Hub.
Which user ID needs now?
Yeah. Press enter to open your browser or
do
submit your
do do
device.
do one thing. One URL is given there, na, that https
Yeah.
login.docker dot from
Activate.
activate. You click on that and give your code xdjqdpxq. One code is
This one?
given. Yeah, you
Yeah,
you
the above one-time code is there. One-time device confirmation code.
Use this one.
Mhm. Sanjay, where is your code,
This, if
confirmation
you,
code?
the next line.
Oh,
Copy it. Now you open your browser, that one http, that one.
You can just click there itself. That HTTP login docker dot.
Yeah, control and click that part. Control, press control. Yeah, click it. It is clickable or not? Yeah. Now put your code here. Continue. Confirm. Okay, so you have to log in via this method. Okay, when you are going through your VM.
okay.
Login succeeded. Now Docker do images. Docker images.
Docker image.
Okay, now what you have to do, you have to first tag your image, okay, with your that name, user ID name. Betty, you know how to push image.
Docker push.
We have Docker push and the image name.
Suppose I
No,
want to
first you
push.
have to change the tag and all, okay, then only you can able to push it. Actually,
Okay.
when you push your image in Docker, it your ID also get tagged there. Okay,
Okay.
any idea of that, Betty? You?
I'm just remembering one. I'm not getting what's coming in my
Tag
head.
means Ravi. It's a version.
No, you have to give, means you have to change the tag, like which image, like Sanjay image I want to push in my Docker hub. Okay, so first you have to
Okay.
change the tag, means one image is on the name of Sanjay image, and one again we have to give the tag of another image. Okay, means the same image is there, but with the different tag, like I'll give you command.
Means the tag should be different and the ID and everything is same.
Yeah, so now you do one thing, erase that one Docker push. Yeah, leave it here. You write Docker, then image tag, image.
Image name or
No,
image.
image only, image. We are changing the tag of image now, so that image space tag, and you have to write space, you have to write that image Sanjay image, Sanjay image, and write the that column, and you have to write latest. You have to give the current tag. Yeah, latest. Now you are changing with that your ID. What is your ID? Docker Hub ID. Go and check there.
Sanjay 04. Sanjay Shah 04. Check. Yeah, Sanjay Shah 04.
Yeah, you write Sanjay Sah 04. Sanjay Sah
And colon, we have to give the password, right?
04. No need of password. 04
Okay.
slash.
Slash
Yeah, then you have to give the same name, Sanjay image
Image.
latest. Copy it from there.
means whatever the name here I am giving that will show in the
Yeah,
hub
Docker Hub.
Docker.
Docker Hub means if anyone want to pull your image, they can put with the name of your username itself. Okay.
Okay, I am keep a Sanjay only.
Ah,
That's fine.
no, you have to give that image now. You are changing the tag.
Okay.
Sanjay image latest. Now with this command, what we are doing, Sanjay, again you have to explain.
Means the this image, Sanjay image, whatever in my this local one, it will tag, means it create a new tag
Okay.
uh,
Okay. Okay.
of name
Now you got it.
Sanjay
Oh,
image.
got it. Briti, you got it now.
Yeah, Ravi.
Okay. Put enter.
So we are not giving Docker push command here.
No. Now you do Docker images. Now you can check. Yeah, new image is there. That is Sanjay Star 04 Sanjay image. Okay, with the latest tag. Now you do Docker push and with this tag name. Now you do Docker push Sanjay.
Ravi, why these two have a same ID, but is also
That one is not a your image, right? API image, app image. You have created a previously, I think so.
okay, okay, maybe. Okay, what you said, Ravi?
Now you do Docker push and you have
Image ID or image name.
and you have to copy that new tag one, new image one. Yeah, just
This one,
copy
the
it.
whole one.
Yeah, copy it, paste it, and do the latest. Write latest at end.
Enter.
Yeah, put enter. Now it is ready to push. No, it is pushing. Okay.
Ravi,
Yeah.
even if you don't give any kind of new tag also, like if you are giving new tag means it is creating new image with a different tag, right?
Yeah.
Like if you don't give any new tag, like after
You try.
username Sanjay
You
Shah
tried
zero
Sanjay.
04.
The next you tried that method. Docker push that Sanjay image.
Enter.
Ah, latest. Now put enter. Yeah, it is getting there.
Yeah.
Now check your Docker. Any error is there? Let me see. Black screen. Sanjay, black
In the
screen.
VM one only, in the VM one. Request access to the resource is
Yeah.
denied.
So you have to give the user ID. Okay.
Yeah.
It
Oh,
will push now.
The first one is pushed, but the second one, as Birati told, no,
like
that
for the
without you
no,
giving the
I'm just asking without giving that after username we have given in the tag, right? Docker image tag Sanjay image, that one, right?
yeah.
After username without giving that new tag, it will also change that one, right? You can also push that one, like without changing any tag of that image. We can directly push that image to the Docker hub, right, by giving the username.
Means okay. Tell Sanjay your command. What you want to say, Sanjay? Right? What
Okay.
you saying?
Docker push, uh, I mean the same upper command, upper
This
arrow.
one.
No, just one thing down. Yeah, space and the username.
Yeah, you write username.
Enter.
Yeah.
Okay, Docker push help. No, I'm just want to explore that commands. That's why I'm just asking. I'm
Okay.
sorry.
Okay.
It's okay. You just give your tag. Okay, new tag. Whatever the image you want to post, you have to write with your the user ID with the tag. Okay. Now Sanjay, you check that your image is there in your Docker Hub or not.
Um,
Okay. Okay. That command I have proposed is the wrong thing.
yes, Ravi, I have.
You have na Docker image. So now you can download this image anytime and you can create container. Okay, run a container with the same image.
Sanjay, if you don't mind, I'm sorry, very sorry for interrupting. Yeah. Can you just give Docker push and the username slash the image name?
Docker
Push. Your
First, first,
username.
first to do images, na. First to find the images,
Yeah.
Docker images. Yeah. Now you upload that MySQL one,
What you said, Ravi?
Docker push.
Docker
Like
push,
you have to push that one.
Okay,
MySQL one.
MySQL one.
Yeah.
Docker push.
Your username. Sanjay04 slash MySQL
Slash slash slash
slash
Sanjay.
slash, not that hyphen, slash forward slash.
Fine.
Your image and the
Latest,
version
latest, put
latest,
latest.
Um,
colon latest.
Colon latest
No,
Sanjay.
no, no, no.
Image name is MySQL one.
Yeah, MySQL without space, colon latest.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah. Put enter.
Okay.
So
The
you won't
push refers to
you won't find any
repository.
image here, okay, with this name. So you have to first change the tag with that name, okay. It is saying that an image does not exist locally with the tag Sanjay Sah 04 underscore slash MySQL. So
Okay.
first you have to change the image with your user ID tag, then only you can push, okay,
Okay.
Sanjay.
Okay,
So
first we need to tag.
yeah, whatever the image you want to push in any user ID, you have to first tag with your user ID, then only you can able to push, okay.
Yeah, okay, okay.
You try to push your at least 4 image, okay. Birati and Sanjay, you both
Yeah, Ravi. Yeah,
try to
Ravi.
push it 4 images, okay. We will see tomorrow, okay.
But Ravi, I got a small doubt.
Yeah.
Like people who have already given that tag, I mean, sorry, who have already given push the images into the Docker Hub. If we search for normal, like if we are searching for a MySQL in the Docker Hub, so that we are getting only MySQL image, right?
Yeah, that's
And
why
we,
na. That's why na. Look what happened right now. Sanjay has given a tag. Okay, Sanjay has given a tag with that name. If you try to upload that MySQL one, okay, you have created in your local MySQL image. Okay, here.
yeah,
Why it is not going there? Because already there MySQL is available as an image.
yeah.
Okay, so that it is taking by another name. So
Yeah,
the
but if we are pushing a new image, like here we have Sanjay have created one new image, right, with his name.
yeah.
If we directly push that image to Docker Hub without giving any tag,
It
it
won't
won't. It
it
is
won't
not
go.
taking that.
Yeah, it won't go there.
Yeah. If my doubt is like if someone has all, someone is creating the images, like the images are present in Docker Hub, and
Look,
I
look,
am trying to
look.
push new image.
Yeah, if you want to push new images, look, if you have pulled your MySQL images, okay, and if you want to expose it publicly in Docker Hub, so you have changed something in your MySQL, so you have to give your tag. Why? Because officially MySQL already has an image, so you can't change that image.
Yeah, I got that.
Okay, so for that benefit means MySQL having lots of images in publicly available, okay,
Yeah.
and with the help of that image you can create databases and everything whatever you are going through that MySQL image, okay.
So that means many people have been pushed the
Yeah,
MySQL images with their tag name,
their
right?
tag name only. And if you
But if we are pulling that one, which tag name we'll get the latest one? We are not getting that particular person's tag, right?
if you will give the personal tag one means Sanjay Saha 04, if you will write na docker pull Sanjay Saha slash MySQL, then you will get the Sanjay Saha MySQL image. Now you try to pull that Sanjay
Okay.
Saha image, you can pull it. Are you getting
It
my
is
point?
already present in that. Yeah, yeah.
Sanjay has pushed one image na. Sanjay, you do one thing.
Okay, okay.
You do one thing, Sanjay. In your local na.
Okay.
Okay. You. Birati, you share your screen. You share your screen. Stop sharing, Sanjay. You. Sanjay. Yeah, now you do docker pull. Docker pull Sanjay Saha 04.
Sorry, Ravi, I was disconnected.
Yeah, Sanjay Saha 04 slash 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 slash. Yeah, what is that name, image name? Sanjay image
Sanjay image.
colon latest. Yeah, put enter. Now you can pull it.
Okay.
So whatever the Sanjay image, Sanjay having that image, you can take that image in your local, and you can run that application without any dependencies and all.
Okay.
That is the function of that docker one. Okay, means you don't need any library, don't need any kind of thing. Okay, system supported also not required here. You just need to pull that image, and that image will run on your system or any server. Okay.
Okay. So
Ravi,
whatever we want to pull, we have to give the tag name.
Yeah.
Okay. If we want to pull the particular version or particular image from particular user,
Yeah.
we have to give that username with
Yeah,
the tag.
so you have some MySQL having some version. Okay, so you want
Yeah.
the previous version, so you have to give the tag name that one. Now you that time you don't have to give the latest one, you have to give the previous version name. Okay.
Okay.
Ravi,
Yeah.
suppose this is my public. I pushed the image. That is one is a public. It's showing.
Yeah.
I want to make a private.
Yeah,
So what should
you can make it private by going setting and all. Okay, so
means how can
in private no one is going to pull your image then. Okay.
I make it private?
Click on that, click on that image.
My screen is visible.
Yeah, your
Yeah.
screen is visual only, I think. Yeah, your screen is
Okay.
visible.
Which one?
In the settings, I think so.
Setting.
Yeah, click on settings. There you
Private,
Make
private,
it
make
private.
private.
Okay.
yeah, make it private. Okay,
Okay.
so
Got it.
no one can pull it. So organization what they are using, they are keeping their images in private mode only. Okay.
Okay.
But what is the use of that? Like no one can pull that one. I got that.
Yeah,
Suppose Ravi, I want to make another
means
version. Means
means if I push my data, means if I have my image, I can only pull that image only. Private image you can also pull, but when I will give the access to you, okay, then only you can able to
Okay.
pull.
Okay. So
like
that
a
means
git
like
file.
Sanjay have made it is. I mean Sanjay had made that image private.
Yeah.
So if I want to pull that image without his notification, like I didn't I mean notify him, and I just tried to pull that private image. Did he get notified with that?
Yeah, not notified. You can't able to pull that image itself.
Preeti, let's
Yeah.
do. I am making it private. You
Yeah.
trying to do pull.
Yeah.
You first delete your that image. Briti, you
No,
already told that.
I haven't pulled that completely. So like I just stopped that process one.
Okay.
What should I give here? Change this.
Visibility settings. Type Sanjay image to continue.
Continue.
Yeah, there it is given at Sanjay image.
Ja, now it's private.
Okay. I'll try to pull here. Yeah, I got an error like response from daemon. Pull access denied for Sanjay Shah 04 Sanjay image. Repository does not exist or may require Docker login.
Okay.
Then how he can provide that access?
So one URL is there for every image. Like if we'll see that na ACR, that time for every image Docker or whatever it is, it creates a URL for that. Okay, so whenever you try to create pull that image, that time that need that Sanjay has to provide you token for that. Okay, Sanjay
Okay.
will go to setting and he will generate a token for you, so that with that token you can able to pull the image. Okay, and token having the capability of only pulling the images. You don't
We can't do any
yeah, you
changes in
can't
that.
do any changes in their ID or whatever it is. So it is a function of Docker only. Okay, like that you have to do.
So when it comes to a project side, like we are not supposed to do any kind of these things, right?
Yeah,
Only client will do the private thing,
yeah,
everything.
client or who having the access and all. Okay,
Okay.
okay, so see you tomorrow. Okay, for
Yeah.
new
Thank you,
topic.
Ravi.
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay,
okay, Ravi, thank you.
okay, thank you, Sanjay, thank you, Priti.
Thank you, Ravi.